Our focus question, Jordan kept track of the miles he hiked in 4 days, using the graph to determine the mode of the given data. All right, so let's take a look at our graph here. On Monday, he hiked 6 miles. So I'm going to put a 6. Sunday, he hiked 10 miles. Saturday, he also hiked 10 miles. And Friday, he also hiked 6 miles. So we're going to have, if we put them in order, we have 6, 6, 10, and 10. So now we're trying to find the mode. Since there is not a number that is the most, we see the most, we see both of them just 2 times. Even if we were to see just 1 time, there's no mode here, right? So if we see both of them 2 times, there's going to be no mode. No mode. And that's going to be it for our focus question.